Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel Masakanibudewi. For today's recipe, it will be simple and easy preparation. Let's go and check out the ingredients. (600 grams) minced chicken, 1 red capsicum and 1 green capsicum, 2 cans of tomato puree, 2 onions and 1 whole garlic, 2 packets of spaghetti, 1 can mushroom. And now we make the spaghetti sauce. We start with stir fry the onion and garlic until it turns golden brown. Then we put the minced chicken, mix it well. We add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we cook it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the chicken is half cooked, we put the minced chicken into a pot and add in 2 cans of tomato puree and pour 1.2 liters of water. Mix it well. And then we add in 2 teaspoons of salt, mushroom and the capsicum. We mix it again. We cook it in low flame for 2 minutes and then we can turn off the flame. Now we cook the spaghetti. Boil water in the big pot. Add in 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the water is boiling, put in the spaghetti and cook it well. Then we can turn off the flame. Once the spaghetti is already cooked, put the spaghetti on strainer and we rinse with clean water. Okay, to all my viewers, it's a simple spaghetti recipe and ready to be served. Lastly, don't forget to add the Parmesan cheese on top of the spaghetti. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy and like my recipe for today. I am very sure your family will love it. And don't forget to click like, subscribe and share my video to all your friends and your family members. See you next time and bye bye.